So friend, this is my online Nettech Blue Sky channel. In this my video, Windows 10 settings related. So my last previous video, I'm already told you time and language related information. What is the time language in how many type of time zone? What is the language in how you are enter and add a language. This is a very important for you. And system, what is our system using these settings, device settings, network and settings, and every settings I'm already created everything. Personally, some setting I'm already created the videos. So watch my previous video, very important for you. Other you cannot start and not understand this video. Okay? So ease of access in this my video I'm start and what is the ease of access and how using this system. So let's start this video. So you can see here this is a ease of access one type of setup here. So you can see here in this ease of access. So let's start this video. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech Blue Sky channel. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech Blue Sky channel. This type right and search here and you can visit here. This is my channel logo and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced you can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me and you maybe like, so this is very good for you and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. So you can see this is a narrator and this is a narrator is one type of screen and controls and this is a one type of zoom in and zoom out. So this is the ease of access exactly. You can see click on and go into your administrators, some tools and ease of access. These settings here. These settings here you can see this is ease of access. So this is all of same as it is. You can see. So you can see click on and at all. So you can see this
Settings,
is
Settings window. Exiting narrator.
so it is one type of reading and voice is same as it is. I'm showing you.
Settings, Settings window. On, narrator, toggle switch. Selected, Microsoft David, 1 of
Choose a voice. Microsoft Zira. Selected. Microsoft. Choose a voice. Microsoft Zira. Speed. Slider at 10. Tooltip. 10. Pitch. Slider at 13. 9. Tooltip. 10.
So you can see here this is a different ways of start here inside these computer. Different you are going to any settings, any site. So first reading and speak one type of this algorithm already created in Windows 7 time. Okay,
Recording. Settings. On. Narrator. Toggle switch. On. Narrator. Toggle switch.
so this is
Settings. On. Narrator. Toggle switch.
so different every options available in these area sites. So you can see here this is a different setup. Ease of access mean easily access from this I'm going any side, any settings look changing any. So this first rail and algorithm to convert in speaking is one type of created in this area side. So you can see I'm just showing.
On. Off. On. Words you type. On. Narrator. Toggle switch.
Narrator is one type of one type of created already talkback type of Android system through. So this is very some important is some blind type of using a computer user and some low watching and low showing computer side. So this is you can see here in any side list of you can reading directly and click on their side and automatically these start read and start computer. Okay, so you can see here this is a cursor keys and different type of showing in this area side. Okay, so you can see here this is a narrator and narrator type of a lot of safety type of using here. Okay, so this is used for very and useful for some advanced type.
Selected.
So
Magnifier.
magnifier.
2 of
You
7.
can see this type magnifier type. Okay, so different type of setup in settings. Any setting you are clicking, reading.
Narrator. Selected. On. Exiting narrator.
So I'm turn off narrator and going to second option magnifier. So what is a magnifier? Magnifier is one type of zooming, zoom settings and zooming facilities in your computer. So you can see this is a magnifier and you can see this is a magnifier. I'm click on here. So magnifier, you can see one type small window on right side here. So magnifier, what is a magnifier? I'm click on start. So you can see going any side, just zoom any side. Okay, focus only my this area side in my only mouse point side. You can see this is a magnifier and some changing colors here. Okay, see here this is a change and then you can see start magnifying automatically. So click on maximum mark 515% zooming here. Okay, you can see this is a different type here. Okay, so you can turn off, you can start. So most often magnify using your zooming area side some teaching time. So very helpful. Tracking means what is a tracking? So first tracking is your mouse point on focus zooming side, and second is your keyboard cursor. Okay, second is the keyboard focus. This is the keyboard related. Okay, so this is the follow keyboard focus. So keyboard related focus on. But the second is your mouse. Okay, your mouse cursor. So this is a different type of you are going any setting any side. You are very small watching options. Some reading very hardly type. So you can start magnifier options and you can control your computer from magnifier system. You have no any some you have no more watching some small to small area side, some settings and options. So you must click on magnifier using this is some old age type and some very some looking problem, some eye problem. So that time a magnifier system very helpful for your computer. So I'm again showing and click on start. You can see I'm going any side anywhere. So focus on this type. Okay. So magnifier is a base tool of this is the tool of ease of access. Only means ISO. You can see I'm going to again going inside left side, going to right side. So focus on only my mouse pointer side. You can see here left side, right side. Click on start menu, going to any side. You can see this is a very helpful for big some items, letters, and you clearly watching for your controlling your computer. Okay, so this is a very helpful for your computer and improving your workout. Okay, so this is very helpful for your computer and useful. Okay, so this already complete here and click on off and close. Next is the high contrast. Okay, high contrast you already know your display lighting. So I'm not changing any high contrast because this is a different type of high contrast sides. So I'm just only showing you high contrast how to set up here because this is high contrast, non high contrast setup 1 to this already setting. You can see high contrast type your text, your document, your display lighting. You want more increase, decrease, so you can using high contrast. Some of the software available, and these you can see some captions. So you can caption choose your Windows side, Windows area side, your text area side, text doc text, and some window open, some title. In this reason, you can change the background some in window. So don't change anything because this is a very important for you, and I'm not changing anything. But I'm showing you for caption is one type of your Windows, your operating system Windows open file manager, file explorer. So it is a one type of font changing and font style and font colors. So you want to like change, so you can change here, but I don't like this changing any so this is a captions using only for your your default. I'm already set up here. Don't change in my style. I can change his transparent type, so you can change here, but I don't like these. So I'm just only your general knowledge related. I'm just showing you. So you can see here this my computer. It is one type of captions showing. Okay. So this is a font related and this is the type of icon later related type of showing. Okay, so this is the background and window. So this is everything set up in default, and you can see here this is important for backgrounds frequently, and this is registered in some very different type of settings here, setting up here. Okay, and you can see these some keyboard. So this is on screen keyboard. This is the second type of keyboard. Maybe your keyboard not completely works, so you can using on screen keyboard. On screen keyboard means you can you can control your keyboard one tap of mouse through. So you can see here this is a one type of on screen keyboard. Click on here and you can open from here this setting through, but you are using Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, so you can using keyboard. I'm open notepad, okay, and I'm showing you this is a keyboard. You can see here this is a keyboard and I'm writing from here. So you can see here this is one type of different type of keyboards and keyboard related. You can using sticky keys is one type of you can using caps lock and num lock. You can convert from these toggle keys, okay. So you can using your sticky keys and toggle filter keys because on-screen keyboards limitation in this reason you can change up here, okay. Next is again mouse related some your mouse change your mouse point. So mouse related I'm already created in control panel playlist watch mouse related video. So you can see here this is a mouse point and mouse point related size, point color and point related. So you can set up here in mouse keys related some important options so you can set up here, okay. So this is a mouse sound on the screen in different tab you can set up here, okay. So this is settings I'm not changing up here, okay, because some mouse related information and different type of settings are very important for me. And you can visual some option other options, okay. So other option means a visual option, so we can start here. So this is a no time or completely some some you are typing here. So your key animation some you can set up here, okay. So I'm always key on and this is a keyboard related and some options I'm just showing you practically. So you can see 5 seconds here, okay. This cursor blink here and I'm open notepad watch notepad side and going to, so you can see this my cursor, you can see this is very my cursor, okay, showing point here, okay, thick, very thick, going to 1 minute blink here, okay, and going to very long time 5 minutes you can see here. So you can blinking time here, okay, you can see this is blinking time change up here and you can change this type of visual sound effects up here and this change again here and set this, okay. I want to go into down more change up here this type so you can see here, okay. So you can see here this is a very slowly and very thick of settings here, okay. So this is one type of your input data and notepad is window 10. So not only window 10, any side you are input your data, you write data, so same as it is you can see, click on blank page and you can see going to and going to, you can see this is one type of everything, cursor blinking and okay. So you can see here more to more, I'm going to more thickness and going to small, going to close and close, going to, so complete close and both side, okay. So ease of access and enter going to music, so all of complete ease of access. Next time, next video I will show you privacy related every options. This is a very important option. So thanks for watching my video, have a nice day. Next time I will continue privacy, so click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on bell icon for new notification new video. So thank you, next time I will show you privacy option. Thank you.